Hey, what's the matter with you? Why do you keep shouting others? Oh, shut up, you tiny one will run out of you, and I will walk over and kill you. Ha 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 ha! Bah, bah, shoo, shoo. The ants keep no choice and keep quiet and went on its way. Bah, bah. Oh, we have to do something about the elephant. We shouldn't pick a fight with the elephant. He is temperate and very strong. He could crush you. But forget it. Let's avoid him. The end.